We got a 1990 Chevy Corvette. This is what it sounds stock. Give a guess. They do not disappoint. Again. All right. We'll let you guys hear it after. Hope you guys like it. Let you guys hear the sound decibels before. Go ahead. So about 99 again. So we showed you guys before, this is what it looks like after with the Corsa kit and the high flow cat. There's the two cats, the originals. Then we put a high flow cat, third one right there. Then there's the Corsa kit, pre-bent, but we welded it all and added a sleeve in there to make everything fit nicely. There's the Corsa mufflers, there and there. That's what it looks like. Came out really beautiful, really nice. 1984 Chevy Corvette. Really nice car, he just got it. And all it had was this converter on it and no tailpipes, nothing. So we cut that converter because it's broke apart inside. You see the dust. And we replaced it with, it's still got two factory converters there and there. Then it wires into a single, and we put a high flow converter on it right there. Put on the air tube. Then it's got 3-inch pipe into a 2.5-inch Y pipe, 2 1/4 tailpipes there and there. Then he wanted Flowmaster Super 10s right there. And right there, we'll have a link in the description for both. And 4-inch tips right there. And like always, guys, if you like our work, please subscribe, comment, and share. Because that's what keeps us going. Subscribe, subscribe, subscribe. Let you guys hear this thing. Give it gas. There's sound decibels again. 104. It's not bad. Go ahead and back it out straight. That looks good on it. Yeah. Yeah. Corsa never disappoints, man. All right, put it in park and give it gas again. That sounds good. Chevy Corvette. Sound decibels? 103. That sounds really good. Go ahead and back it out. Flowmaster Super 10. Show us what it's got. Chevy Corvette. It was actually an 86, not 84, guys. Correction. 86. nice mint condition. Oh yeah, baby. He's smooth. That was awesome. That was awesome.